Hi everybody, this is CA Kaushik Ganguli from Minded EduServe, yours truly, life and career coach, speaking on work, life and everything else in between. Today I'm going to bring you a video once again on a cover letter, which is an age-old offering which has been there for about 100 years, as opposed to the video resume which we have been speaking about, which is a new offering in the last 3-4 years. A cover letter is timeless. A cover letter is a valuable ally in your job seeking or your admission seeking efforts. When you draft out a cover letter, first of all, make sure that it is wanted by the person concerned. If you just have to upload your resume, then don't give a cover letter, let it be. However, if you have to put in a cover letter, write out a cover letter properly and attach it along with your soft copy. 2. Your cover letter has to be well organized, concise, clear and precise. If the cover letter is well written, that means you can think properly, you can write properly, therefore you can also speak properly. If you speak properly, if you can think properly, if you can write properly, that means you have got 3 vital skills which every university or company needs in order to succeed. You will be a value addition to the batch. Third of all, make sure your cover letter is showcasing your motivation. Why do you want to join? What makes you special? The moment you get that motivation aspect very clear, you're putting yourself up as a front runner in the race. Once you're putting yourself as a front runner, your resume will attract attention. Mention certain salient facts, mention certain clear facts. A high CGPA, an All India rank, a consistent academic record, a major project executed, a major social work executed. All this will count a lot, believe me. Most of all, when you write a cover letter, check, proofread to ensure that it fits in well within 140 words and to make sure that it is absolutely to the point, neither more nor less. Does that sound interesting to you? You have been watching so far, and that is a sign that you are interested in what we have been speaking and you have been following our video channel, our YouTube channel also. So, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, comment to our channel, and we promise to bring you a lot more stuff which will add value to you personally and professionally. And take care, and the countdown to the next video starts now. Thank you.